Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Leon Schreiber, says South Africa will not allow people to abuse the immigration laws of the country. He made the statements after 7 Kenyans were arrested and deported for allegedly abusing their tourist visas. Now, they were found to be working in Johannesburg. Schreiber also dismissed false reports that 2 American officials were arrested during a sting.
Yesterday, the Department of Home Affairs, in collaboration with other arms of law enforcement, executed a routine, lawful operation in Johannesburg targeted at suspected violations of South African immigration law. The operation followed after intelligence reports indicated that a number of Kenyan nationals had recently entered South Africa on tourist visas and had illegally taken up work at a center processing the applications of so-called refugees to the United States. This was despite the fact that earlier visa applications for Kenyan nationals to perform this work had been lawfully declined by the department. During the operation, 7 Kenyan nationals were discovered engaging in work despite only being in possession of tourist visas, in clear violation of their conditions of entry into the country. They were arrested and issued with deportation orders and will be prohibited from entering South Africa again for a 5-year period. The operation was carried out according to the same procedures that has seen Home Affairs dramatically intensify deportations over the past 18 months, as the South African government diligently works to turn around the long-standing abuse of our immigration and visa system. No US officials were arrested in the process, the operation was not conducted at a diplomatic site, and no members of the public or prospective refugees were harassed. The operation reinforces Home Affairs' commitment to enforcing the rule of law without fear or favor, as no person or entity is above these laws. It also showcases the commitment that South Africa shares with the United States to combating illegal immigration and visa abuse in all its forms. The presence of foreign officials apparently coordinating with undocumented workers naturally raises serious questions about intent and diplomatic protocol. That is why the Department of International Relations and Cooperation has initiated formal diplomatic engagements with both the United States and Kenya to resolve this matter.